Crypto moves fast. One day it's up 50%, the next it's down 30%. So how do you make sense of all the chaos? Let's talk about market trends and analysis. First, understand the two main tools: fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis looks at the project itself, its team, utility, tokenomics, and community. You're asking, does this project have long-term value? Technical analysis, on the other hand, studies price charts, patterns, indicators, and volume to predict short-term movements. You're asking, when should I enter or exit? Markets also move in cycles: bull markets and bear markets. A bull market means optimism and rising prices. A bear market means fear and selling pressure. Here's the secret: no one can time the market perfectly. Even the best traders get it wrong sometimes. So focus on discipline, not prediction. Set goals, manage risk, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Understanding market trends helps you ride the waves, instead of getting washed away by them. Next, in Phase 4, we'll dive into the future of crypto, from Layer 2 scaling to GameFi and beyond.